You've probably heard of Power BI's incredible visuals, its ability to connect to almost any data source, and its powerful analysis tools. But have you ever thought about what truly sets Power BI apart? When I first started using Power BI, I was just like you. I was obsessed with using visuals like dashboards, bar charts, and pie charts to display my data in an attractive way. But then I discovered a feature that changed everything for me: bookmarks. Almost no one was talking about it, so it was like a secret weapon that helped me create interactive reports, custom views, and guided data stories, all without writing a single line of code. For example, imagine you're a sales manager at a tech company and you need to present quarterly sales data to your team. With traditional reporting tools, you might create a static deck of slides with lots of charts and tables. But with Power BI and bookmarks, you can create an interactive report that lets your team explore the data themselves. You can use a bookmark to create a custom view of your data that highlights the most important information for each slide in your presentation. Then when you publish the report to Power BI service, anyone who views the report can interact with the visuals and even filter the data to see what they're interested in. It's like having an app that automatically updates whenever the data changes. And the best part is that you don't need to be a developer to use bookmarks. It's so easy to use that once I used it in a client presentation, they thought I had built an entire app from scratch, but it was just Power BI doing its magic. So what exactly are bookmarks and how do they work? Well, think of a bookmark as a snapshot of your report that captures the current state of the data and the visual layout. So whenever you update the data or change the visual layout, the bookmark will automatically update as well. It's like having a personal assistant that takes care of all the heavy lifting for you, so you can focus on telling the story behind the data. In fact, the name bookmark comes from the idea that it allows you to bookmark specific points in your report so that you can easily navigate back to them without losing the current state of the data. You can use bookmarks to create buttons that let you navigate to different pages in your report. Or you can embed them directly into visuals so that when someone clicks on a bar in a chart, for example, they're taken to a page that shows more details about that particular item. The possibilities are really endless with bookmarks. And once you start exploring them, you'll quickly see how they can transform the way you build and use Power BI reports. So if you're ready to take your data skills to the next level, I highly encourage you to check out the resources provided. And don't forget to stay tuned for more tips and tutorials.